What's the best CR2032 battery for your AirTag? Panasonic. And the most popular battery brand in America is the one to avoid. Here's why. Some brands coat their cells with denatonium benzoate, the most bitter chemical known for child safety. The coating sits on the positive terminal, blocks the AirTag's contact, and triggers accessory not supported. Panasonic is the top pick. 3.01 volts out of the package, no coating, and 12 months or more in an AirTag. Energizer is the best value at about $6 for a 6-pack. Avoid Duracell. It failed 6 of 8 AirTag insertions in testing, and Apple's support page warns coated cells may not work. A clean cell is shiny metal, not matte or waxy. Expect about a year per cell. After 14 weeks, Panasonic and Murata held the highest voltage, on pace for 12 to 14 months. Budget cells run closer to 10. Swapping takes 30 seconds. Press the steel back, twist counterclockwise, drop the new cell in positive side up, and twist back until it clicks. A chime confirms it. Panasonic first, Energizer second, never Duracell. Full ranking on hotairtag.com.